Expanding to Amazon Singapore is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you some of the top countries you should be expanding to first on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to dominate Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central. You're simply going to go to Inventory, then Sell Globally. Once you go here, you're going to have access to Europe and Asia Pacific. You can apply for Asia Pacific. You scroll down and there is Singapore. Now you can create a new Singapore selling account right here and click Register Now. Once you click Register Now, Amazon's going to ask for the basic details about yourself, about your business, and the main thing that you're going to need is a bank account, an international credit card, and a passport. Now your passport and you need a bank account statement and a credit card statement from those accounts. Just make sure the names all match each other. So if my name is Josh Hackett, then the bank account statement at the top should also say Josh Hackett, and the credit card statement should also say Josh Hackett. Everything should match, and then you should be good to go. And once you're done with that and you do get approved, you're gonna have this nice little green check that says Singapore account setup is ready to go. And as you can see, the next steps is to create the account, the products in Singapore. Now to get to Singapore, you're just gonna go to the drop down and then you should see Singapore and you should click on it. And then there may be some items where you need to add your bank account, your credit card statement, add those information there and then start creating your listings. So first you're gonna go to Manage Inventory. If you do have any listings already created for some weird reason, I recommend you delete them and start from scratch in Singapore specifically. That way you can start from scratch and everything's gonna work right the first time. Now to create an item, you're simply gonna go to Catalog, Add Products, and you're going to type in the same ASIN that you use in the US. So here it is, we're gonna click Submit right here, and then you can click New and then sell this product. Now if your product doesn't show up, what you're going to do is copy the UPC code, which is the same UPC code that you use in the US. And then you're gonna create a new listing and then use the same UPC code that you use in the US. That way, all of the reviews from the US are going to be copied to the new Singapore listings. So that way, you know, if you have 1,000 reviews on your Amazon listings, it's easy to have sales in Singapore with 1,000 reviews showing right from the get. So definitely do that. And then once your listings are created, you're gonna go back to Manage Inventory and you're gonna see all of your inventory right here. Simply click this button and convert it to Amazon FBA. Once it's converted to Amazon FBA, it's time to ship your inventory directly into Amazon. So you're just gonna click Send or Replenish Inventory. Amazon's going to give you an Amazon label, but they are not going to give you a shipping label. To get the shipping label, you're gonna need to go to a website like ups.com, which is one of my favorites for first-time shippers to Singapore. Get that shipping label. On the Amazon label you printed, it's going to have the location it needs to go to. Copy that location, put it into UPS, get the shipping label, and then paste it on the box. So now you have an Amazon label, you have a shipping label, and you have all your units in a box ready to be shipped out. Get that tracking number from UPS and then provide it to Amazon. So all you have to do is go to Inventory, Manage Inventory, and then it's gonna say your tracking number is missing. Put that tracking number in, so that way when it arrives at Amazon, Amazon's not like, where'd this come from? It's easy for them to track internally. After you're done that, you should see inbound once you drop it off to UPS, or in like 2 or 3 days later after you drop it off at UPS, it's going to say inbound. And then once it's fully checked into the inventory warehouse at Singapore, it's going to say available and you're going to be ready to start selling. And that's pretty much it for expanding to Singapore. And also my recommendation is to focus on the English speaking countries first. In order is going to be the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and then Singapore. So those are gonna be my top 5, and I like to focus on the English speaking countries first because my first language is English and it's much easier to expand to English speaking countries first instead of expanding to France and having to hire a translator and looking at all their policies and stuff like that. So my recommendation is to expand to these English-speaking countries first, but it's completely up to you. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend to subscribe to this channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. Also, if you need any help with Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. We're experts at this and we can help you expand on Amazon. Also, any other questions or concerns, you can contact EHP Consulting Group. We specialize in everything Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.